Assalamualaikum to Madam Reha and Mr. Ahmad Nizam. My name is Muhammad Haziq bin Abdul Jalil from Faculty of Electrical and Electronic Engineering Technology. My supervisor is Mr. Wan Nur Hisham bin Abdul Rashid. Today, I would like to present about my project, which is development of smart logboard checker to investigate the lifespan of relay. Okay, in this project, I was use mechanical relay to test its lifespan.
This is poster for my project that is development of smart logboard checker to investigate the lifespan of relay. Okay, for the project description, the purpose of the project is about smart logboard checker to investigate the lifespan of relay. The cycle for the switching on and off a relay will be read by Arduino Uno microcontroller and display on the LCD display. Okay, this project I use EEPROM to store the data for the system, and this project I also use LabVIEW software to monitor and store the data for counting relay cycle. Okay, this is easy to collect the data from the LabVIEW. Okay, for the introduction, the analysis was study the lifespan of relay to ensure its durability. Each relay lifespan depends on essentially on the contact relay. The more movement of contact relay, the less the lifespan because the contact relay will become thinner. This project will check the lifespan of 5-pin relay using a logboard checker. Usually, the mechanical relay lifespan is about 10 million operation. This problem statement for the project is the mechanical relay because the to function properly or even stop working completely after the relay has exceed their operation life as specified by the manufacturer. Okay, second is to a highly experienced engineer to detect the breakdown of the relay. And lastly, relay has operating lifespan. Higher cost of machine to check the lifespan of relay. And the objective for this project is first to design and implement of a digital smart logboard checker to identify the damage of the relay. And the second, to analyze the count of lifespan switching contact relay. And the lastly is to create low cost relay lifespan checker. Okay, so we go to the methodology for the project. Okay, relay implement at the Arduino Uno microcontroller. Okay, when the relay starts switching, it will as a output for the controller, and the output for the controller will display on the LED indicator and the LCD display. So the count of the switching relay will display on the LCD display, and LED indicator will turn on when the relay is active. Okay, this project have a reset button to reset the counting number of the relay. Okay, this is my project design. The first in front of box and then inside the box. Okay, this is for this example of automatic testing equipment by industry to test the relay. So we go to the flowchart in this system. First, insert the relay at the socket, and after that connect the USB cable to computer, and choose the correct port to connect with the LabVIEW software. Okay, if the connection are not successfully, it have to troubleshoot until get the correct port to connect the system. Okay, if yes, LED will turn on and LCD will display the count of switching relay. Okay, when we press start read button, LabVIEW system will display and save the count of switching relay. After that, it is easier to collect and analysis data from the LabVIEW. Okay, this is my result and analysis for this project. Okay, for the first, I use 5-volt SRD solid relay to test the relay with load and without load. Okay, for based on the theory, for the lifespan of relay without load is 10 million operation, and for the relay with load is 5 million operation. After run the project, the relay damaged at the 17,052,500 operation for the relay without load, and for the relay with load, the relay was damaged at the 7,466,570 operation for the relay with load. This is a graph for the relay with load and relay without load for the theoretical and measurement value for the lifespan of relay. Okay, for the second result, I choose two different brand of relay, that is Songlet 5V relay and HKE 5V relay. Okay, the lifespan operation theoretical also have same value, that is 10 million operation, and after run my project, the relay with damage at the 17,552,500 operation for the Songlet relay, and for the HKE relay, the relay was damaged at the 15,800,362 operation. So we can see the Songlet relay have a higher lifespan value than HKE relay. The project further for my project is easy to change the relay 5 pin, and after that the data has been displayed and saved on the LabVIEW software. So the creative and inventiveness for the project is, this project is connect to the LabVIEW software to display the value for the counting relay. At the LabVIEW software, this system has used feedback node to store the data. Okay, after that, the project potential of commercialization. Nowadays, the use of relay has expanded significantly in the industry sector. This logboard checker of relay can use at the test hub company to check the lifespan of relay. Besides, the cost of this project is reasonable and affordable to develop to check the lifespan of relay. Okay, as a conclusion, this project is developed by using microcontroller Arduino Uno board to control the switching relay. This project has been investigating the lifespan for the relay with 5 pin to compare with the theoretical value.
This is my hardware prototype for development of logboard checker to investigate the lifespan of relay. Okay, in this hardware prototype, inside the box, I use Arduino Uno microcontroller and circuit for active the relay and battery, and outside the box, I use reset push button, LCD display, LED indicator, and this is socket for relay. And this hardware connect to the LabVIEW software to display the input and display the output. This is setup of my project. The hardware and software need to be in a ready condition. First is insert the relay to the socket pin correctly. Okay, once the relay is ready, connect the logboard to the power. There are two ways to active the logboard. The first is one by using USB cable to connect any electrical port. Secondly, using the battery is second choice if there are no source of electricity. Okay, so I will show you how logboard checker work. Okay, first connect the USB cable into the computer. Once the USB cable connect to the power, the relay will start switching and LED will show the number of cycle relay. At the same time, LED will turn on when the contact of switching at normally open and turn off when at normally closed. To reset the number of cycle, I use reset button and the number of cycle relay will become 0. Okay, this is damaged relay. So first I put the 5-pin relay socket and connect the USB. Okay, the relay is not switching and the LED will not turn on.
I continue my project with LabVIEW software. In the block diagram, serial configuration port was used to make connection between prototype and LabVIEW software. Okay, this process use while loop for flow statement control to repeatedly execute a block of the sub-diagram continue code until a specific Boolean condition was met. This approach also used the true and false structure case to measure the cycle of relay count. There was a feedback node to store and display the data from previous loop operation and a boolean to start the reading. The feedback node was connected to the read visa to read the Arduino data and return to read buffer data. Okay, this is a front panel for the LabVIEW. The number of the cycle relay will display in this front panel. Okay. Firstly, this project need to connect the USB cable to the computer and at the front panel choose the correct port that hardware use. Okay, this project has used COM3 and this byte will read the how many count we read, byte we read. After that, we run the simulation. Okay, the Visa series will read the Arduino microcontroller, read the count of the relay on the LCD. Okay. When we press switch, it will start the reading of the relay. Okay, this hardware start from 116 because in this coding for the hardware I use to EEPROM memory to save the data for the previous system of. That's all for my presentation for development of smart robot checker to investigate the lifespan of relay. Thank you.